Right, time to play with the big boys. So up first, the G2 slugs, 23 grainers. These are the 217s. I'm going to do exactly the same, going through all 6 power settings. I've got the radar on. Let's see what they love. The 23 grain G2 slugs definitely likes the further distances. It didn't like the 29 meters I initially shot them on, but it seems like I got some better groupings going out to 50 meters, especially on 935 feet per second, as well as 963 feet per second. I hope these babies are going to perform well at the 75 meter mark as well. Let's see what happens. G2s, 26 grainers, also in 217. Same routine. Well. The G2 26 grainers also performed better at 50 meters than on 29, which looks very promising indeed. The one thing that is very obvious is that the 26 grainers loves the higher speeds. The grouping slows down considerably the moment the speed went up. I would recommend shooting these babies at 960 feet per second or even higher in this regard. JSB Knockout, 25.39 grain, 50 meters, power setting 1 to 6. Let's roll. The JSB Knockouts grouped a lot better at the slower speeds, but the moment you push it above 950 feet per second, it started opening up. The absolute opposite of the G2 slugs, which is quite interesting. Now it's time to take these babies out to 75 meters and see how they perform at the longer distances. My next little video will reveal all. It's the 75 meter challenge coming up.